Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to bring you an exclusive unboxing of the Oppo Watch 4 Pro. Inside the box, we find the Oppo Watch 4 Pro neatly placed on a cushioned surface. It's always exciting to unbox a new gadget, isn't it? Oppo Watch 4 Pro is launched on Tuesday in China as the company's newest smartwatch. Alongside the Oppo Find N3 Flip, the wearable sports a 1.91-inch curved LTPO AMOLED screen on a square dial. The company has launched the smartwatch in two color variants, Breaking Dawn Brown and Extreme Night Black. Translated from Chinese, it is equipped with Snapdragon W5 and Hangshuan 2700 chips, along with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. The Oppo Watch 4 Pro watch is backed by a 570 mAh battery, which is claimed to offer up to 14 days of battery life. The smartwatch is only compatible with Android phones. It comes with several health trackers, including blood oxygen level, SPO2 monitor, heart rate tracker, sleep quality assessment, as well as stress and sedentary reminders. It also supports over 100 sports modes. The smartwatch also features ECG, ambient light and wrist temperature sensors. Oppo Watch 4 Pro price is set at 2,299 Chinese yuans, nearly 26,100 rupees for the silicone strap variant, while the leather strap model is priced at 2,499 Chinese yuans, nearly 28,350 rupees. Pre-orders for the smartwatch are live, and it will go on sale via the company's website starting September 8. That wraps up our exclusive unboxing of the Oppo Watch 4 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content.